Thousands of students who wrote the 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination (UTME) are planning to sue the Joint Admission and Matriculation Board (JAMB) over what they described as mass failure. Many students complained about scores they believe do not reflect their actual performance. JAMB recently announced that over 1.5 million out of 1.9 million candidates scored below 200 marks out of the total 400, which sparked concerns across the country. The Minister of Education, Dr. Tunde Alausa, said the results show that efforts to stop exam malpractice are working. However, some parents and students are blaming JAMB's poor technology system for the mass failure. Alex Onya, an education advocate and CEO of Educare, said over 8,000 students have submitted official complaints. They stated that they are taking legal action and have asked JAMB to release each student's full marks sheet so that they can verify their results. He shared on X, formerly known as Twitter, that the failure has negatively affected the students' mental health and future hopes. In response, JAMB, in a statement on Monday by its spokesperson, Fabian Benjamin, said it is scrutinizing complaints received regarding the conduct and results of the 2025 UTME exercise. Naija News reports that as part of measures, the board disclosed that it is fast-forwarding its annual system review and has engaged a number of experts to identify and rectify any potential technical issues. The statement added that if it is discovered from the review that there were glitches, appropriate remedial measures would be taken. We'll continue to monitor this story closely for more news updates. Share your thoughts with us in the comment box section below, and please stay tuned to Naija News TV.